Hello class 7th. Today I will be discussing with you true and false type question of chapter 3 charts in Excel. But before that, the same request to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I am here very happy to announce most of the students are actively participating here. They are continuously in touch with me. They are asking their queries. I am very happy. And please, other students, do the same. Now, what is the purpose of discussing true and false? Here, I am not just going to tell you that the statement is true or the statement is false. But here we will discuss something more also. Why the statement is true? Something is true, fine, it's true. But why is false? What is the correct statement of that, right? So let's discuss first. First question is, you can apply only horizontal grid lines in a chart in Excel. You know, I have already told you several times that both the grid lines, what are grid lines you know? Horizontal as well as vertical grid lines are applicable in a chart. Right? This way I have shown you, remember in earlier videos also. Now also I am showing you this type. This type I have made, this is vertical lines in an Excel chart and this is horizontal line. So the statement is completely false. As it says, it's about talking about horizontal grid lines. Clear? Now next, the data table shows the data inside the chart area along with the chart. This is absolutely true. How? You remember? You remember in the Excel sheet when we are inserting the chart, in the layout tab, data table option is there, right? Show data table. So it's showing the data table inside the chart. Now what does our statement says? A data table shows the data inside the chart area, right? So it's true. We have done this. By this statement, I think so many times I have repeated that pie chart is only suitable for single series data, and what it is saying, multiple series. So it's again false. It is not possible to preview a chart. How it is possible? Means how it's not possible? It is possible now. When you click on insert tab, a list of chart is there, right? So it is possible to preview the chart. There not is there, that is why statement is false. You can change the chart type once it is created. You can. What is the written, please? See here. It's written cannot. We cannot change the chart type. Once we have created the chart, we cannot change it. Of course we can change it. Just a minute, I'll show you. Look here how it is done. A recapitulation. See, right click here, change chart type. Suppose we don't like this chart, we can change its type. We can make it a line chart, we can make it a pie chart, we can make it a bar chart. Let's make it a line chart and see. Any line chart from your choice you can select. Okay, so we have converted that chart type into line chart. How it is done? Once again I am repeating. Please see, right click, change chart type. Right click of mouse and change chart type. Clear? So this statement is completely false. We can change the chart type. I have shown you just how it is done also, right? Line chart is effective in displaying the trends over the period of chart. Just now I have created the line chart which is effectively displaying the trends. In order to study the trends, so line chart is the best choice. And in order to depict the single series, pie chart is one of the best choice. Seventh question. Spark lines are created in sheet from which the data is selected. Means if you select a data, then in a particular sheet spark line is created. But as per our definition, we know spark line, what the spark line depict. Spark line depict the trend of a particular row. So it deals with a row. The statement is, that is why statement is false. Next, chart title is the main title of the chart. This everyone knows. कि chart title that is written above the chart is the main title of the chart. Now I can hope true false is clear to you. You need not mug up now. You understand why the particular statement is false, what is the correct version of it. You also understand if something is true, how it is true. The data table example I have shown in the Excel, right? So my dear students, thank you. Have a nice day.